Welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to update Google Chrome and how to check whether we are using an updated version or not. So open your Google Chrome. If an update is pending, the icon is green, that's mean an update was released less than 2 days ago. If an update is pending, the icon is orange, that's mean an update was released about 4 days ago. If an update is pending, the icon is red, that's mean an update was released at least a week ago. Now to update Chrome, click on the 3-dotted menu on the upper right side. Now tap on Help and click on About Google Chrome. If your Chrome has been updated automatically, it will show the message that Google Chrome is up to date. If not, then update that and tap on Relaunch to complete the process. So this is how you can check and update your Google Chrome to the latest version. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.